Hello guys, my name is Azim and today I'm going to create one audiobook. So audiobook basically it will read text from your PDF file. Okay, so let's get started. To create the project, I'm going to create one new folder in my desktop. Okay, go to the new and create a new folder. Here I'm giving the name as audiobook. Okay, audiobook I'm giving. Here I have to open this one, right click and open with Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, overview screen of Visual Studio Code is came. Here I'm going to create one folder that is called audio.py. So I'm going to create one Python file over here. Okay, to start this project, we have to use two type of Python packages that we install in your computer. Okay, make sure. So go to the terminal, new terminal. Here you can write pip install pyttsx3. Okay, so you have to install these packages. In my case it's already installed. Okay, in your case it will not be installed, so write this one, it will be installed. Okay, no need to worry about it. Again, one more package you have to install, that is pip install pypdf2. okay, you have to import this as well. Okay, so as you can see, in my system is already requirement satisfied is coming. In your case will not be installed, you have to install it. Okay, so here I have to import this two Python packages, so I'm writing the import pyttsx3. okay, so as the suggestion is came. Okay, one more package is that import pypdf2. so two packages I have to import. Here I have to create one engine. Okay, so I'm engine is equals to pyttsx3 dot init. So I'm going to initializing this. Okay, sorry, I'm initializing this, and again engine dot say. So it basically in that will say it will like what you want to print it. I mean what you want to say the system is. So I'm just writing some by default message over here. So hello, I can talk. Okay, so I'm giving this message. Okay, one more line I have to write, it is that is called engine dot run and wait. Okay, so this function I have to use. Okay, save it. Now our system is able to talk with us. Okay, now so let's check whether it's working or not. So play it.
Hello, I can talk.
Yeah, as you can see our system is working fine till now, so is able to talk with us. Okay, now what I need to do, I have a I want to read a particular PDF file. So we need a particular PDF file, so you have to take this PDF file over here. Okay, so for that purpose, as you can see in my desktop, one PDF file I have. So I'm just taking this one and I'm keeping in my audiobook folder. It is okay. So come to the Visual Studio Code once again. So as you can see, one file is came here. Okay. Now I want to open this file. Okay. Now, so what I need to do from here, you can write book is equals to open. One function we have. In this open function we have to pass this name. Okay, now so right click, go to the rename, copy this one, paste it here, paste it here, dot pdf. Okay, one more variable I need to pass over here, that is called read as binary. Okay, pass this one. And now pdf reader, one more variable I'm creating. Okay, pdf reader is equals to py pdf dot pdf file reader. Okay, and here I need to pass book. Okay, so what I'm doing here, so we have a book now, so I'm opening this book and after that I'm reading this book. So PDF reader will be there, so it will read our book. Okay, now after that I need to create, I want to check how many pages we have. Okay, so I'm just creating one variable pages. Okay, so pages is equals to PDF reader. Okay, PDF reader dot num page. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, now we have to check how many pages we have, so I'm going to print this one. Okay, so for my understanding I'm just printing this one, how many pages we have. So now check how many pages we have, just run it.
Hello, I can talk.
Yeah, as you can see we have 347 pages we have. Okay, now we got the pages. Now I want to read a particular page only. For that purpose I have to uh, pass a particular page number over here. Okay, so for that purpose what I need to do, page, I have to create one variable in that page, like PDF reader. Okay, PDF reader dot get page. Okay, get page one method we have. In this I want to pass, for example I want to read 8 number page. So as we know, all programming languages count will start from 0 only. Okay, every programming languages. So if I want to read 8 pages, then we have to write 7. If I want to read 9 page, then we have to write 8. So in my case I'm writing 8, so it will read 7th one. Okay, now pages is came. After that, in this page, what are the text we have? Okay, so I'm creating one variable text. In this text what we'll do, page dot, okay, extracting the text, extracting text. Okay, so I'm extracting the text. So what is that? So that whatever the in this particular page number, like 7th page. Okay, so what are the, I mean in this page number, whatever the text we have, so all text will come here only. So I want to speak that text. For that purpose I need to pass text over here. Okay, so I'm just pasting this one. Sorry, just a second. So I'm passing over here. Okay, now check whether our project is working or not. Okay, so run it.
Attributes 77 constructors 79 accessors 80 public interface methods 83 private implementation methods 83 conclusion 84 references 84 example code used in this chapter 84 5 class design guidelines 87 modeling real-world systems 87 identifying the public interfaces 88 the minimum public interface 88 hiding the implementation 89 designing robust constructors and perhaps destructive